There was a man who had two sons. One day the younger son said to his father, "Father, give me my share of the inheritance now." And so the father divided his wealth between them. The younger son gathered all he had and set out for a faraway land. He was excited, filled with dreams of freedom, and blind to the dangers ahead. In that faraway land, the son spent his wealth on wild living and reckless pleasures. Day after day, he wasted everything until nothing was left. Then a severe famine swept through the land. With all his money gone, he was hungry, poor, and alone. No one cared for him. Desperate, the young man found work feeding pigs in the fields. He was so hungry that he longed to eat the pods the pigs were eating, but no one gave him anything. Finally, he came to his senses. How many of my father's servants have food to spare, and here I am starving to death? I will return to my father and say, "Father, I have sinned against heaven and against you. I am no longer worthy to be called your son. Make me like one of your hired servants." And so the son got up and began the long journey home. Weak, dirty, and ashamed, he wondered if his father would ever accept him again. But while he was still a long way off, his father saw him and was filled with compassion. He ran to his son, threw his arms around him, and kissed him. The son said, "Father, I have sinned against heaven and against you. I am no longer worthy to be called your son." The father called his servants, saying, "Quick, bring the best robe and put it on him. Put a ring on his finger and sandals on his feet. Prepare a feast, for my son was lost but now is found." And they began to celebrate. A grand feast was prepared. Music and dancing filled the house. The father rejoiced, for the son who was once lost had now returned home. The story of the prodigal son reminds us of the incredible mercy of God. No matter how far we wander, his love is always waiting for us. As Jesus said in Luke 15:24, "For this my son was dead and is alive again. He was lost and is found." Dear friend, no matter what mistakes you've made, God is ready to forgive you and welcome you home with open arms.